This infrared quartz electric fireplace stove, beautifully detailed with beveled glass and side viewing windows, is destined to be a standout piece in your home. The infrared quartz technology provides supplemental zone heating for up to 1,000 square feet and distributes even heat that maintains the natural humidity in the air. This stove features patent-pending 3D flame effects that display an ultra-realistic fire. The layered flames dance and flicker in front of and behind the log satin ember bed display, giving the appearance of a real wood-burning fire. This stove settings can be conveniently adjusted with the buttons on the control panel and with the included remote control. Heat up any large space in style with this electric fireplace stove.
Stay warm in style with the Mica thermic panel heater from DeLonghi. With 2 heat settings and an adjustable thermostat, this heater makes it easy to customize your comfort. The thermal cutoff and internal tip-over switch provide added safety, while the integrated handle allows for simple transport. DeLonghi panel and convector heaters efficiently heat large rooms while fitting in with your decor. The slim, sleek design takes up minimal floor space, or it can be mounted up and out of the way. Style meets function with the Mica thermic panel heater.
Stay warm with Dr. Infrared Heater, the state-of-the-art energy-saving space zone heater that can heat a large 1,000 square foot room fast. Dr. Infrared Heater keeps you comfortable all winter long and could even help slash your heating bill in half.
Dr. Infrared Heater is the best one that I've ever had.
The heat that it emits is really just warm, just yummy kind of feeling.
Really fast, it's quiet.
The heat from Dr. Infrared Heater is wonderful. It is so gentle and it fills the space. It doesn't blast out at me like other ones that we've used. It just gently fills the space with the warmth that we want. It's really cozy.
You turn the heat on, you know that it will come on instantly. I think every home should have it. Every classroom should have it. I absolutely love it. I can't imagine life without Dr. Infrared Heater.
Now, not only is it affordable and a great value, but it can help you save hundreds of dollars off your home heating costs. In fact, many homeowners enjoy annual savings of up to 50% on their heating costs.
One customer, Steve, writes, "I saved about $110 this month. This heater will pay for itself in 2 months."
And J.A. Mudson writes, "The heat radiates the room and warms everywhere. We have been able to cut off our wall heat and save on rising propane costs."
I mean, we can go on and on. Monica purchased 2 heaters and says she uses them instead of her furnace. With Dr. Infrared Heater, you simply get more for your money. This ingenious high-velocity blower forces heat into the environment for maximum distribution as it stays remarkably cool inside, which ensures maximum hot air distribution and extended operating life. Speaking of which, the lifetime of Dr. Infrared Heater is an incredible 80,000 hours for winter after winter of comfort and savings. That's 4 times longer than other infrared heaters. No other heater on the market can match Dr. Infrared Heater's performance.
What do you say we show our viewers at home just how fast Dr. Infrared Heater works?
Great.
Here we have 2 airtight chambers. Inside one is a space heater with a price tag of over $400. And in the other is Dr. Infrared Heater, which costs not even half of that. Just imagine what this revolutionary heating system can do in your home.
This state-of-the-art heating system features an impressive 5-point safety design that'll give you peace of mind every day and night.
A problem I've encountered with many space heaters in the past is they get too hot. Once they're on, forget about touching them, let alone moving them until they've cooled off. And for added safety and security, Dr. Infrared Heater is engineered with a sensor that automatically shuts off the heating system if the internal temperature reaches an excessive level.
I love this feature. Dr. Infrared Heater has an automatic shut-off timer you can set from 1 hour all the way up to 12 hours.
With Dr. Infrared Heater, I don't have to worry about one of my kids, or Trixie, our lab, bumping into it or knocking it over. Because look at it. It's sturdy, it's solid, it's not going anywhere.
And proudly, Dr. Infrared Heater is listed by ETL and Underwriters Laboratories in the USA and Canada. These marks represent the utmost in safety and quality assurance.
Make this winter the season you start saving big money on home heating and order Dr. Infrared Heater right now.
Bye.